Kisangasani kiumirite obisine cha kiama kia Moses Kuria kia chama cha kazi CCK nyuma ya rweri bamwe gochetia batiumaruka Antone au mwanka BATAEWA barua cha kuonania ibatindete arweri baba BARUGA NIBARIIRE tigitiji na mwankera nande gote barua BATAEWA Boniface Mongera ni akujirite untubu.
Bichi nene cha kiama kia CCK Garden City Nairobi ntukwenarua. Baba ni arweri baite mwanya para wikinyitia ja ntukwenarua kujukia tigiti chia nyuma ya kwethero BARIA mali jonde terajereta wikiama.
We want to draw the attention of this demand letter to the Secretary General of Chama cha Kazi.
Na benderete kuandika mechire na kiriro kiao kirende kibanteto thegeche kana chijike moja gunsiri kurekana shotomi kiama shatonyera kudharia.
Shina nini? Kuna kamera nje. Kuna freedom of tuelewane tukiwa nje. Bring it on. Sema the problem. Kwanza nasema chomoke nje kwanza.
Wacha story bana. Toa hii kamera nje my brother.
Mechukumana yumira harumena kabagwatana mashati kugeranira tunyoto tumunaku kwa kunekira lira ntoleu.
Bana kwani nini ndio tulikuwa
ya modhia wetite kwaragana buru polisi bakinyira bakiriria bashoka bathaga changoroba monko bisine cha kiama giki are bajokerie na benukana ne bakiama giki bara bagwichithite kenda bedro bakioria monkijore jokali jokogwata na bokinyoryo barathiro bire kujulite maruru kumanteration de.
Let me ask you a question. Let me ask a question.
I will represent all of you.
Let me ask you a question.
Yeah, my name is Peter Morania. I'm contesting for South Imenti in Meru County. On 2nd of was it April? Yes. We were together at Nyanyuki. Those who did not have anybody opposing them be issued with the certificates. Single candidates. It never happened. We were not told what happened. Can you enlighten these people? You are creating all these problems because there's no transparency. We don't know what is happening.
There is no worry and there is no cause for alarm. We have up to the 28th of this month to issue all certificates.
Harweri barara mekirite robedrito badirunkitu kiama keke Moses Kuria amwa kudribiti tembesha shonde irireto ikiama.
On this 22nd, if I do not have my certificate, how will I wait for the party to submit? How will I wait for this party to give me my certificate within 6 days? So by 28th, I know I have a certificate. Because those are two deadlines.
Yes. Let me now expound on those two deadlines. The 22nd deadline is for disputes, so that you'll have sorted all disputes by 22nd. That is why parties are running. All over you've seen what other parties are doing. They're saying we must either come for consensus or let us do 1, 2, 3, 4 things to make sure by the 22nd all disputes are dispensed with.
Besho kapa kono ntoko nenkiro tigiti kirane kioto kiao kiraba kwiro bathithie ikongera mbesha ingi
muno bara tumete Meru turi single candidates na nomination certificate chetu twari promise tukanenkiro by ntariki 2 cia April mwanka narua ntariki 19 cia April tutona certificate chetu lakini Secretary General Kim Nange atwire turingira thimo agachemani na bamo betu hoteline na akabera kotho mtu na kwenda certificate upati na itha 300,000 kwe bange betetwe milioni 1 kwe bange betetwe milioni 10 ukarigwa kotho certificate ichi kirari cha kwendia kana ubati kunenkero gukurukira nomination mbechira warite cha fees
Wait tungana.
Undete 300,000
To address us all of us.
bainge baru wikija kiro bisiji ntukwenarua bakumarotero Mero Busia Mandera Nyandarua nenyawajia na wirigiro bwarweri baba ingi ni ateminga mirali na miricha ne mingira bakwethera be kurukire kethero ikinyira muthia banenkiro tigiti chao pete bachwe kura kenge bara Moses Kuria hora mwene kiama ethero etonyera na kutheria nteto iji ndwa iji itekeja kwethero ikiumira nke report na Toshoro TV kumajo bisine CCK kengi na next Nairobi beta Boniface Mongera.